Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be doing one of these Kahoots. So let me just get my tripod on my table. It was not on my table. Okay. So I'm gonna do this one. This one actually, because so what is the 3x3? Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Actually, you know what? This seems too hard. What about this? The Rubik's Cube. Okay, this should be easy. Practice. Okay, so the first question, who invented, okay, this is easy. Rubik. Someone did invent it, that is true. Rubin, Jeff next door. When was the cube created? 1974. Okay, this is easy. First place. How many squares? I need to get my meaning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh yeah, 54. I forgot. Because math. Okay, it's better than. Okay. Okay. How many colors on the cube? 6. 6 and 3 plus 3. 54 colors in the cube. Wait. You can make it's true. Yay. Okay. What is the line? Oh, this is a 20 by 20 doesn't exist, but I guess a 20 by 20. Would that be right? Oh, but there's a 21. There's even a 33 by 33. Like, what is this? Like, look at this. How long did? I think 5 hours. Okay, look at this. 33 by 33. Okay, no, not 33. Okay, Rubik's Cube. Like, look. See, there's no, but nope. According to this Kahoot, it's 17 by 17. Okay, whatever. What is this cube's nickname? Wait, it's a pyramid. What do you mean nickname? That's its actual name. Okay, got my pyramids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 8 times 4 is 32. I'm just gonna do this for the sake of a pyramids of. How many colors? 4. 4 and 2 plus 2. Okay, this Kahoot, I've gotten 1 question wrong so far. So this is actually pretty easy. How many shaped cubes? Many? I think I didn't count. That's where I remember. Oh, who? I mean, there is many. That question was just a 100% guessing. How many cubes are there? How the heck am I supposed to know? Thousands. lot. Yeah. I guess there is a lot. Thousands are a lot. So, what color is opposite yellow? Last time I checked, it is white. Oh, okay. Purple. That isn't even on the cube. Like, do you see a purple on here? Maybe there's some like blue. I just love J-Chrome. Okay. So 7 more. What color is opposite green? I don't really need to use this to help. What side is opposite red? Orange. I've gotten one question wrong. So say 5 more questions. I'm gonna do 43 quintillion. Oh, 43. This one. Can you make some? Yes. Yes, like look, I'll do an H. Actually, I can't do an H. I mean, you can do an H. Oh wait, actually, I'll do an H for my name. Like H, I'm cubing. Just 2 H primes. Okay. How many colors are a dodecahedron? Oh, there's 12, right? Why did they call it a dodecahedron cube? I'm not even I can't pronounce it. Bruh. Okay. It's called a Megaminx. Like, learn your cubes before you make a thing. It's a drawing. What do you mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Hey, is that 10 by 10? Oh. Let me just fix this. Did you learn something new? No, I didn't. No. Oh, you don't have points for that? That's sad. Did you have fun playing? I mean, is it like, no. I mean, yeah, yes I did, I guess. Imagine if they did like no is the wrong answer. So number 3 is no. Number 2 is Shima. Number 3 is of course. Wait, they got 13 and they got 11? Oh, how does that bring them more points? And of course it's me because like okay, so let's do some more. So actually I don't really have time for another one. So that's it. Bye.